Even though the blockchain seems complicated, it is actually very simple at its core. So, we made this video to try and explain blockchain and how it works in the simplest way possible. So make sure you subscribe to our channel AI Tech Academy to keep getting our AI and tech related videos, and do like the video if you like the content. Now, without any further delay, let's delve into what is blockchain. In simple words, blockchain technology is a decentralized ledger that tracks the history of digital assets. Because the information in the blockchain can't be altered, it's a major distraction in sectors like payment, cybersecurity, and healthcare. Our expert will describe what it is, how it's used, and how it came to be. Understanding blockchain technology can be compared to using Google Docs. Instead of copying or pasting a document, we distribute it when we create and share it with a group of people. This creates a central distribution network where everyone can access the document simultaneously. While we wait for the other party to make the changes, no one is locked and all the changes in the document are recorded in real time, making the process completely visible. The most popular blockchain application is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are digital currencies or tokens that can be used to purchase goods and services. Crypto, like a digital version of the currency, can be used to buy everything from a spoon to a new home. Unlike cash, crypto relies on the blockchain to act as a public log and a powerful cryptographic security method, which ensures that online transactions are always recorded and protected. Now let's get further into who created blockchain. So basically, blockchain technology had its public debut in 2008, when Satoshi Nakamoto, whose actual identity is still unknown, published the white paper Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, which detailed a purely peer-to-peer form of electronic cash, known as Bitcoin. Blockchain, the technology that powers Bitcoin, has evolved over the last decade into one of today's most groundbreaking technologies, with the potential to disrupt industries ranging from finance to manufacturing to education. After all these, the next question which always arises is if blockchain is secure or not. So let's delve into the depth of it to find out if it is or not. For all types of online operations, security is paramount. In today's digital age, a lot of data gets stolen and information is compromised. Because of its decentralized structure, blockchain delivers a very high degree of security that is difficult to penetrate for anyone. In various ways, blockchain technology addresses the challenges of security and trust. First and foremost, new blocks are always kept in a linear and chronological order. That is, they are always appended to the blockchain's end. When you look at the blockchain of Bitcoin, you'll see that each block has a location on the chain called a height. Without public consent, changing the content of the block after it is finally published into the blockchain is not possible at all. This is because each block has its hash, as well as the hash of the previous block and the date mentioned above. By converting digital data into a series of numbers and letters, the mathematical function creates hash codes. Hash codes change when information is changed in any way. It is not feasible to change the content of a block once it has been broadcast on the blockchain without the permission of the public. This is because each block carries its hash, as well as the predecessing block's hash and the above-mentioned date. By transforming digital data into a series of numbers and letters, the mathematical function creates hash codes. The hash code changes if the information is altered in any way. Here's why it's important for your safety. Suppose a criminal wants to change the blockchain so that Bitcoin can be used worldwide. If they sold one copy, it was no longer the same as anyone else's. When everyone's copies were compared, it was clear that this was different, and even the hacker version of the chain was rejected as counterfeit. So now we hope you guys understand what blockchain is, how it works, and how highly it is secured. Moving forward, let's delve into how blockchain is revolutionizing multiple industries. And first one on the list is blockchain-based gaming. Gone are the days of centralized game servers, pay-to-win schemes, and fraud. With blockchain, players can have complete control over their in-game assets, trade with other players, and even earn real money. Imagine owning rare in-game items that can't be duplicated, hacked, or stolen. Blockchain technology makes this a reality, allowing players to truly own their in-game assets and making it easier to earn and spend real money in the gaming world. The benefits don't stop there, as blockchain also provides greater transparency and immutability to the gaming industry. No more cheaters, no more hacks, and no more shady practices. It's time to embrace the future of gaming and experience a new era of fairness, security, and innovation. Next on the list is the financial industry based on blockchain. Traditional finance has been long overdue for a revamp. With its outdated systems and centralized control, blockchain is the answer to all of the problems, bringing transparency, security, and decentralization to the financial sector. With blockchain, transactions are faster, cheaper, and more secure than ever before. There's no need for intermediaries, as the technology is based on a decentralized ledger that records all transactions in real time. This means that everyone in the network can view and verify transactions, increasing transparency and accountability. Blockchain has the power to change the way that we think about money, investments, and banking. No more hidden fees, long waiting times, or middlemen. Next comes tech industries. Blockchain is also changing the game for tech industries, from healthcare to supply chain management and everything in between. Blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records all transactions in real time, increasing transparency, security, and efficiency. In healthcare, blockchain technology is being used to securely store and share medical records, increasing patient privacy and reducing medical errors. In supply chain management, blockchain is being used to track goods in real time, increasing efficiency and reducing fraud. In entertainment, blockchain is being used to create new revenue models for content creators. And in real estate, blockchain is being used to streamline property transactions, reducing the need for intermediaries. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are numerous. Now that you understand the potential of blockchain, let's see what future it holds and what famous people think about blockchain. By now, you may have understood that blockchain technology has been hailed as one of the most transformative technologies of our time. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, has stated that blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize the banking industry. He believes that blockchain technology can provide an efficient and secure way to conduct financial transactions, which can reduce the risk of fraud and make banking more accessible for the unbanked. Another famous figure, Mark Cuban, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks and Shark Tank investor, has stated that he sees blockchain technology as the future of cybersecurity. He believes that the blockchain's distributed ledger can help prevent cyber attacks by providing a transparent and immutable record of all transactions. Jack Dorsey, the ex-CEO of Twitter and CEO of Square, has also been a strong proponent of blockchain technology. In the end, we must say that as blockchain technology continues to evolve, it's clear that its impact will be significant. With endorsements from influential figures like Bill Gates, Mark Cuban, and Jack Dorsey, we will likely see blockchain adoption accelerate in the coming years. So, that's the end of the video. Now, if you have any questions related to anything we explained, then do mention that in the comment box below. Now, if you found the content helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel AI Tech Academy for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.